NHPC has informed that two units, Unit 1 and Unit 2, each with a capacity of 170 megawatts at the Teesta 5 power station, 3 times 170 megawatts, in Sikkim, have resumed commercial operations. The two units resumed commercial power generation on July 13, 2026 at 5 p.m. after being synchronized with the power grid. State-owned civil construction firm NBCC India Limited has announced that the company has secured 3 prestigious work orders from course of business amounting to 501.45 crore rupees approximately. The construction of 2,256 science laboratories, physics, chemistry and biology in 922 government schools of Rajasthan on a turnkey basis by the Rajasthan Council of School Education. Shri Anand S. Logde, IRTS, is heading to Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation as the new Deputy General Manager General. The Railway Board recently cleared his deputation, which took effect on March 31, 2026 for a 5-year term or until further orders. THDC India Limited just marked its 39th Foundation Day. While celebrations happened across all national offices, the main event took place at the Rishikesh corporate headquarters. MD Shri Sipan Kumar Garg kicked off the event by hoisting the company flag and gave a huge shout out to the team for driving the company's growth. HPCL has inaugurated 7 new open gyms in selected schools in Alirajpur district, Madhya Pradesh. The aim of this initiative is not just to improve physical fitness but also to support mental well-being and encourage sports. It also promotes a more active and healthy lifestyle among students. With a significant purpose of strategic disinvestment, the Indian government has received revised bids for the sale of its stake in IDBI Bank from Canada's Fairfax Financial and Dubai's Emirates NBD, with the process that is expected to be completed within a month as per the government sources. The bids for the stake sale are currently under evaluation. HPCL informed that India Ratings and Research Private Limited has assigned an INDA 1+ credit rating to the company's proposed commercial paper program. The total size of the commercial paper program is 10,000 crore rupees. The total size of the commercial paper program is 10,000 crore rupees. Western Coalfields Limited Security Department has signed a historic memorandum of understanding with the Maharashtra Police Home Guards Department to provide training for its departmental security personnel. The MOU was signed on Tuesday, July 14, 2026, during a special event held in Mumbai. State-owned construction heavyweight NBCC India Limited has initiated a definitive structural realignment. In a recent regulatory filing, the company confirmed that its board of directors has officially greenlit a scheme of merger to completely absorb its wholly owned subsidiary, HSCC India Limited, directly into the parent entity. SAIL RSP Global Footprint. It looks like Steel Authority of India Limited is starting the new fiscal year exactly how it wanted. The company's flagship Rourkela Steel Plant, RSP, based in Odisha, has just dropped its first quarter numbers for FY 2026-27, and the international orders are looking incredibly healthy.